Are you driving your cart? Hang on. Hang on. Stop. Take your foot off the gas. Okay, now press the gas. Oh, wait, hold on. Don't press it yet. Press the gas now. Press the gas. Move forward. Press the gas now. Put your foot on the pedal. Hold it down on the pedal. Try again. Press it again. Press it again. Keep pressing it. Good job. All the way down. Yeah, it's out of gas. It's what? It's crying. It's going wah, wah, wah. Meh, meh.
I'm gonna do tic-tac-toe again.
Okay, we'll do tic-tac-toe again. That's way better.
Yeah. Really? This time I need to get in a wet layer.
Yeah,
Daddy can sit next to you in a blue
I will.
You can have supper outside. We don't have to put that chair here.
Want me to get the chair and bring it over?
No. I need to.
It's a big, heavy chair to carry. I'll get it, honey. It's a little bit. It's a bit. Oh, Josie, don't do that. Please pick them up and hand them to me. Don't throw them. Thank you.
I didn't ask you to put that there.
I'll put the chair over here next to the blue ones.
Yeah. You don't do that. It's supposed to be that. This doesn't go to the red.
It goes with the blue chairs. Want to put it between the two? Like right there.
I need a buckle.
You want me to drop the rings?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta turn it off. Can you wave to the phone and say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.